Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background layer so you can always revert. Once done, create a new empty layer above for painting fixes and enable guides or a grid to keep perspective accurate. Use the Move tool to check alignment. Make sure the duplicate is selected when you work. This non-destructive setup saves time and prevents data loss, so you can try multiple removal techniques without harming the original pixels. You now select the text area with a precise tool, pen for curves, lasso for freehand, or rectangular marquee for blocks. After selection, try Content-Aware Fill first. It often blends surrounding texture automatically, and you can preview fills. If fill looks wrong, switch to Clone Stamp and sample nearby texture on a sample layer, then clone at reduced opacity to rebuild detail. Once the rough remove is done, use the spot or healing brush on your new layer. You finish by refining tonality and edges so the removed area matches surrounding pixels. Add curves or levels adjustment layers clipped to the repair layer to match brightness. Use dodge and burn indirectly to restore highlights and shadows. Make subtle sharpening only after match looks natural, and always inspect at 100%. If you see repeating patterns or seams, undo the last passes and refine your clone stamp sampling or healing brush blend. This troubleshooting step usually fixes visible artifacts before you export the final image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.